Good day, everybody. My name is Abimbola Charles, aka Bimbilion. I just want to give this advice today uh, to the newbies in forex trading. Yeah, if you want to start practicing uh, forex trading, instead of you opening accounts, demo accounts with a broker, I'll better advise you to go direct to profile accounts like an FTMO, it can be any other any other profile. But just go and open a free trial account, because that one will make you serious. It will make you feel even the pain. But when you open demo you can't handle psychology, you can't handle your emotion. And if you know in trading forex, the emotion is the highest. I talk, some people will say it's 90, some people will say it's 80. What I know is that emotion do the emotion take the greater number in if you want to succeed in trading forex. So what I want you to do is just go through FTMO free trial, because it will actually is risk-free accounts for practice, just like a demo. Any other accounts, you'll be able to trade with virtual fund in a simulated environment. You cannot lose your money, even if you make a trading mistakes. And you platform, your strategy, you'll be able to backtest your strategy. Yes, various trading strategy, so you can see how it works in a real life. And again, you evaluate trading condition. The trial will let you assess different trading condition, including spread and trading. That's to ensure it aligns with your strategy. And again, you can assess your trading skill and compatibility. You can gauge your own trading ability, decision making skill, and overall compatibility with the best practices for the profitable traders. It helps the trial, that's a profit trial. It helps you to be serious, because especially in a day you have to draw down. When you're using demo, nothing concerns you whether I drop down. Even if you just blow the whole money, you can easily go and register. But it creates that seriousness in you. Number one, to make sure you complete the trading for trading days, and it will help you not to over trade, as it happen to normal newbies, that make you to blow accounts. It will help you, because the drawdown and the daily profit margin will guide you master your emotion, that. And you'll be able to download. You can download your journal. You can know where you trade, why you take a trade, what the output, what you get from this. It will help you to prepare, or to even encourage you, or to make you to make amendments for the next trading decision. So I will just quickly run you through. I will take you through the how to open the accounts, and how to use it. Let me just go through here. Very simple. You can just type FTMO. You can use any other one, but I use FTMO. So this is the site. Then you just go direct to claim area. I have already registered with them, so I have profile. So I just go to my client area, or just make it snappy. Click area, because I've already registered with them. It will take me to this panel, and I will wait for this to refresh. Yeah, and there you can see now. I will just go direct to. I'm not going to click FTMO challenge, because I'm not going to buy an account. This one will make you to. You can look. You see 14 days of risk-free trading or limited retreats. No eligibility for the FTMO account. Yes, I'm eligible. Just click on start trial. Push. Click on start trial. Then it will take you to this side. Yeah. Okay, that's good. So I will prefer to take balance of 10,000. You have 100,000, you have 50,000, you have 25. I will just go to 10,000. Yes, just for my own. You can choose any account. You can see here you have platform. I'm using this platform, MetaTrader 5. I'm using MetaTrader 5. as you can see. So what do? I just click start free trial. I want to subscribe to a newsletter. If you don't want, you can uncheck it and look at it. So you click, bah, that's all. So simple. The account is open for you. Look at it. It will send back. Oh, good. The account is open. Just as easy as that. You can see this profile. So this one will enable you. I've already downloaded the trading app. That's, you can download, whether you can download from the site. You can download what they call it, you can download MT5. But this one I downloaded the thing on the site. So what I do, I will click copy, then I go to my screen. Let me click FTMO. This is the FTMO app. That's let us allow it to load. Yeah, okay, good. If you look, I already have accounts with them. So like if you just come, you go to login, you can click your stuff and say and go through here, or you can say log into trade accounts. You give it this space, then you place that thing that you copy. Look at it. I can use Ctrl V. You can use Ctrl V. Then go back, or you click paste. Then password. I click this copy. Then come back again and do either Ctrl V or you paste. So you can decide, once it's your platform, you can click save password, so that anytime you click, it just take you down without going through the hassle of opening, going and look for password again. So here it's automatic. We have FTMO demo FTMO this server. You click OK. Now wait for you to refresh.
Incoming mail.
You have registered a new account. Now you go to trade to go and check. You can see we have 10,000 simulated account. So with this one, you can start trading.